You'll never guess. At the Kids' Choice Awards, the most uncontrollable thing isn't the celebrities. It's that slimy green stuff. It drops from above, hits right on target, thick, gooey, and splashy as hell. Makeup ruined, hair flattened. You end up looking like you just crawled out of a trash can. Jack Black's beard, perfect for catching every drip of that slime. He looked less like a guest and more like a Marvel-style mutation. And those on stage, some still managed to squeeze out a smile for the camera, even with slime hanging off their face. Others, well, their forced grins can't quite hide that "I need to get out of here" look. So what is that slime anyway? Don't worry, it's disgusting but totally harmless. It's a specially made water-based gel designed to explode on contact and rinse off easily.